it's snowing! And surprise, I'm actually...
Come on in, come on up, come on over for the merriest time of year.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to Disney's Very Merriest After Hours, which is a new Mickey's Very Merry Christmas Party. It is a special ticketed event. I know that there are Christmas fireworks, Mickey's Once Upon a Time a Christmas Parade, aka the very first full parade we've had since COVID. There's some characters, I know there's a bunch of free snacks, and there's a new stage show, which I think I'm the most excited for. It's kind of a mashup of all the previous year's stage shows, and in case you didn't know, I'm a huge fan of Mickey's Most Merriest Celebration because I was in it one year. I'm so excited. I think tonight is gonna be so much fun. And what's new? I'm running late. But before we go, I have to show you guys my fit. So I'm wearing this green dress. This is from an online store called Breath of Youth. I'm obsessed. I feel like a Christmas princess in it. And it's gonna be a little cold tonight. I think it's gonna be like 50s, 60s. So I'm wearing tights. These are sparkly tights. I don't know if the camera is picking it up, but they're sparkly. And then also boots. Look at the heel on this boot. I don't know if these are smart to wear to Magic Kingdom, but they go with the outfit really well and they definitely keep me warm so I can still wear my dress. Lastly, my peppermint Loungefly. I'm so excited. I hope you guys are excited. So let's go to Magic Kingdom and celebrate the holidays. Guys, they're playing Christmas music. This is so jolly. We're fashionably late. It's fine. Gotta get a map or a guide. Ah, wait, it's snowing.
Everyone's smiling and it's snowing. It's the time of year again. I'm happy you're here, my winter wonderland.
Guys, I found some friends.
Hello!
Hi, Jojo.
Hey, how you doing?
Look at his Christmas little sweater. So cute.
Merry Force be with you.
And then we have Kyle on the ground.
Hello.
Where's your festive? You got a green spirit jersey. I love it. Disneyland.
Disneyland.
Huh? Are you going to Disneyland?
Maybe, yes.
Are you going to Disneyland this
I
next
am
week?
actually.
Oh
Are
my
you going?
goodness. I'm actually going to Disneyland this next week.
Oh.
What a coincidence.
We should hang out when we go there.
Wait, you're going to Disneyland?
Yeah.
You're going to Disneyland?
Oh my god.
Wait, you're
Ah!
We'll talk later. It's time for Mickey's Once Upon a Christmas Time Parade, the very first full parade in 603 days. Let's go! Ah! And we're on Main Street and it's snowing. It's so nice.
Once Upon a Christmas Time Parade.
Yes. Hey. We got Pluto, Peter, Wendy. Pluto! Come on, Donald.
just for that one parade. That was so magical, so Christmas. We're on to the next thing, which is the stage show, which you guys know I'm the most excited for. So let's go. We are in front of the castle and we have 2 minutes until the 10:35 show. And we are here for Mickey and Minnie's Very Merry Memories. That is the name of this new show.
Good job.
Thank you.
Proud of you. That was a tongue twister.
Mickey and Minnie's Very Merry Memories. Say that 3 times fast. We're so excited.
Season's greetings, everybody. Welcome Mickey and Minnie's Very Merry Memories. We're taking a winter walk down memory lane and you're invited. No matter where the memories take us, one thing's for certain, we need a little Christmas now.
I don't want a lot for Christmas. There is just one thing I need. All the lights are shining so brightly everywhere. And the children laugh so silky. Hey gang, let's celebrate the season with a holiday sing-along. Oh, Mickey, this will be so much fun. Where should we start?
Yeah, Mickey, there are so many songs to choose from.
Here's one I think everybody will know. Deck the halls with boughs of holly. Can't be fun. When they placed it on his head, he began to dance and rock. Frosty the Snowman was alive as he could be. Santa!
Yeah, here we go, folks. Who's got a beard that's long and white?
Santa's got a beard that's long and white.
Who comes around on a special night?
Santa comes around on a special night.
Special night, beard is white. He must be Santa. He must be Santa.
So guys, we are at one of the stands and my sweet friend Jada here. So at the Very Merriest After Hours, what do you get for free?
Well, you can get Mickey bars, Mickey sandwiches, as well as the fruit bars, but we also have popcorn and all your favorite beverages, of course. So.
Yay! Thank you, Jada!
Popcorn?
Yes, please.
There
Thank
you go.
you.
Happy holidays.
Happy holidays. Can I have a Sprite, please?
Is that it for you?
Yeah. Thank you so much.
Dad.
We are in front of the castle again, and it's time to watch. What are the fireworks? We have 1 minute till Mickey's Wonderful Christmas Time Fireworks Show. Something like that.
It's my favorite time of the year. And you know what? With all of us together, I just know something wonderful is about to happen. Oh my!
good, and the stage show was so good. Everything has just been so good, so very merry, so cute. So next up is we're gonna go get a holiday cookie, because they have little cookie stations. I don't know what kind of cookie it is, so we're gonna go to Cosmic Rays. Let's go. Oh, okay. Thank you so much. We got some hot cocoa and we got snickerdoodle cookies. I am having the very merriest time here. I have my hot cocoa and I'm eating a snickerdoodle cookie, and I am so happy. This just feels like, it feels exactly like Mickey's Very Merry Christmas Party. Feels very normal. You can meet Santa, I found out. I think the line is really long, so I might try to go meet him at the end of the night. Oh, here's my review on the stage show. I was a little worried because there's no Jessie and there's no Toy Story unit, but I actually really enjoyed it. There was no Text Me Merry Christmas like Daisy's signature number that she usually does in Mickey's Most Merriest Celebration. There wasn't that, which I honestly was a little bummed because that's like my favorite number, I think. But Clarabelle did have her moment. Clarabelle was so fun, Chip and Dale were so fun, everybody was just so fun, and the fireworks were really good too. I didn't know Tinkerbell was gonna fly. Anyways, I'm gonna sit here and drink my hot cocoa. Oh, and these cookies are so good. They're so soft, but I think it's the same cookie in every station. Guys, we found some friends, Tweedledee and Tweedledum. I don't really know what they're doing, but looks fun. This is where you can meet Santa at the little gazebo, which is like my favorite spot to come in Magic Kingdom. Right now, he is a little busy because he's in the parade. So let's go watch the parade again, I guess, part 2. And then maybe we'll be able to meet him. I really hope so. Hey guys, you know what time it is? To meet Santa! And there's nobody in line. This is great. It's Santa Claus. He looks so cute. So you definitely get your picture from 6 feet away, socially distanced. He just kind of chills there. You can wave.
You both look fantastic. I love that her outfit matches, so you both match the scene.
Yes. And can you believe it was unplanned? Thank you. Guys, I am back on Main Street and it is snowing again. This is just so much fun. This definitely got me officially into the Christmas spirit. Unfortunately, it is now 1 a.m. and the party is over. Everybody is leaving. So sad. I'm so happy that I came on the very first night to share with all of you guys what it's like. I 10 out of 10 recommend this. I had so much fun. It is totally worth the money. If you're thinking about coming, then I think you should, if you can. That is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. That just really helps me out. And surprise, I'm actually going to California this week. So by the time you're watching this, I'm pretty sure I'll be leaving the next day. I'm going to be going to Disneyland, California Adventure, and I actually was invited to a really special event that I'm going to take you guys along with me. It's a holiday event, so we're still staying in the spirit, and I'll be there with my best friend Lexi and Kyle and JoJo. We're gonna go to Los Angeles. It's gonna be so much fun. So if you want to follow along our adventures, make sure you subscribe if you want to. I just love you guys a lot. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!